If you are using regular tea bags, I am here to tell you, you need to stop immediately. Watch this video. And I already know everyone's going to ask me, what's the solution? Loose leaf tea. Super easy solution. We live in a weird world, guys. We just got to make some changes. That's it. But stop using tea bags. Watch this video.
A typical tea bag is sprayed with plastic on the outside to keep it together and doesn't rip. That plastic comes off the tea bag as microplastics. Average cup of hot tea brewed, even with a regular tea bag that has plastic sprayed on it, sheds 1 billion microplastic particles into your cup of tea. Microplastics in the cup of tea are invisible. So here you are thinking you're drinking something good, but actually you're also taking in these microplastics, which we used to think may not be doing that much harm, but now we're beginning to think cause inflammation. So recent studies have shown that in people with narrowed arteries, including arteries feeding your brain, your carotid arteries, blockages, when the doctors have pulled out the lining, the thickened areas, they've actually found microplastics embedded into the narrowing, and it's correlated with a 4-fold increase of fatal heart attack and stroke. More recent research has shown microplastics in the testicles, in semen, and just last week, a new paper came out showing we found microplastics embedded in the flesh of the penis as well. So, whole tea leaves in a ball, fine. Tea leaves in a bag, I would stay away from that.